Sesame Street Nature Explorers! To start, press the play button. Hi there! Elmo and Gabrielle were just about to go exploring in the park to see what nature friends we can find.
There are lots of different animals that live in the park, and if you look closely, you can find them using the clues they leave behind.
Ooh, I love looking for clues.
This sounds like a job for Nature Explorers ready to explore. Come on, let's go.
I don't see any animals.
Remember, sometimes you have to look closely to find clues the animals have left behind.
Come on, let's explore and see what we can find. Tap on the binoculars to look for animal clues.
Let's see what we can find at the pond's edge.
Let's look through the binoculars to take a closer look. Hey, that looks like a clue.
Let's look through the magnifying glass to get an even closer look. It looks like some eggshells left behind. That tells us it's an animal that lays eggs. Let's add this clue to our notebook.
Draw on the page to add the clue to our notebook.
Did you know some animals lay eggs?
You did it! You added some eggshells left behind.
I wonder what kind of animal lays eggs.
Let's look through the binoculars to take a closer look.
A clue!
Oh, look! It's something that's been eaten. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that eats shrubs. Elmo thinks we should add this clue to our notebook. Let's add a nature rubbing to our notebook. You did it! You added something that's been eaten.
I wonder what kind of animal eats shrubs.
Let's look through the binoculars to take a closer look. Oh, we already found that clue. Keep looking for clues. We already found that clue.
Keep looking for clues. A clue! It looks like some ripples in the water. That tells us it's an animal that lives underwater. Let's add this clue to our notebook.
Did you know some animals build nests in trees while others live underground or even in the water?
You did it! You added some ripples in the water.
I wonder what kind of animal lives underwater. Let's try putting all these clues together to figure out what animal it is.
So what did you observe, Nature Explorers?
Well, first, Elmo and Gabrielle found some eggshells left behind.
Then we found something that's been eaten.
And we also found some ripples in the water.
What animal lays eggs, eats shrubs, and lives underwater?
Turtle.
You got it.
Nice work, Nature Explorers. Did you know a turtle cannot come out of its shell because the shell is attached to its backbone?
Elmo wonders what other animals we can find.
ready to explore.
Let's look around these trees. Hey, that looks like a clue. Oh, look, it's something that's been eaten. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that eats acorns.
Did you know animals that only eat plants are called herbivores?
You did it! You added something that's been eaten.
I wonder what kind of animal eats acorns. A clue! It looks like a dirt mound. That tells us it's an animal that lives underground.
Did you know some animals build nests in trees while others live underground or even in the water?
You did it! You added a dirt mound.
I wonder what kind of animal lives underground. A clue!
Oh, look! It's some teeth marks. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that likes to chew on wood.
Trace the line to draw the clue in our notebook.
Did you know some animals chew on sticks to keep their teeth from growing too long?
You did it! You added some teeth marks.
Elmo wonders what kind of animal likes to chew on wood. Elmo thinks it's time to put these clues together to figure out what animal it is.
So what did you observe, nature explorers?
Well, first, Elmo and Gabrielle found something that's been eaten.
Then we found a dirt mound.
And we also found some teeth marks.
What animal eats acorns, lives underground, and likes to chew on wood? I don't think that's the animal we're looking for.
Remember, we're...
Gopher.
Way to go!
Nice work, nature explorers. Did you know gophers move backwards through their tunnels?
Elmo loves learning about animals.
Ooh, the sun is setting. That means we may find some nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals are animals that are awake and active at night.
Let's look around in this tree. Move the binoculars around. Hey, that looks like a clue.
It looks like a nest. That tells us it's an animal that lives in a tree.
Did you know some animals build nests in trees while others live underground or even in the water?
You did it! You added a nest.
I wonder what kind of animal lives in a tree. A clue! It looks like a feather. That tells us it's an animal that has feathers.
Did you know some animals molt? That means shedding their feathers, hair, skin, or even exoskeleton so they can grow bigger.
You did it! You added a feather.
I wonder what kind of animal has feathers.
Another clue. Oh, look! It's some footprints. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that leaves these kinds of footprints.
Did you know every type of animal has their own unique footprint?
some footprints.
I wonder what kind of animal leaves these kinds of footprints.
Elmo thinks it's time to put these clues together to figure out what animal it is.
So what did you observe, nature explorers?
Well, first, Elmo and Gabrielle found a nest.
Then we found a feather.
And we also found some footprints.
What animal lives in a tree? I don't think that's the animal we're looking for. Try again.
Remember, we're looking for the animal.
Try the great horned owl.
Great horned owl.
That's it!
Nice work, nature explorers. Did you know owls have excellent hearing and their feathers are super soft to help them fly very quietly at night?
Elmo loves learning about animals.
It's important to protect and be kind to all things found in nature so they can be around in the future.
That means keeping the environment healthy and clean.
And making sure to respect all the plants and animals that live there.
Animals like our friend, the great horned owl.
Great job, nature explorers.
And great nature exploring. Do you want to take a break?
Or keep exploring.
Sesame Street
Nature Explorers.
To start, press the play button.